Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Citi credit card. So watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Citi credit card, first open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.citi.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Citi, which looks like this. Go to the right hand side of the screen and enter your credentials to get access to your credit card account. Start off by typing in your user ID, make sure to type it in correct, and head over to the password field. Type in your password correct as well. If you want the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember User ID box beneath. But if you are using a public device, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. After you are done typing in your credentials, you can click the sign on button. But in case you don't remember your user ID and your password and you are stuck in the login area, you can click on this Forgot User ID or Password link respectively, and you'll be able to get hold of your account if you follow the instructions well. Once you enter the credentials, you can click the sign on button and you'll be able to log into your Citi credit card right away. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.